you'll see a folder called Text Effects. And the first one here is Convert Case. Now you may or may not have an icon here for it. If you don't have an icon, usually it just means that this little gift wrapped present shows up. So what we'll need for these text effects to work is obviously a font. And when we drag a font down into the scene tree, we go back into the text effects plugins. This first one called Convert Case. When I drag this down onto our font, we click on it and go into the editing window. All you see is a blank screen here, basically where we can type. Now we have two options. We have an upper and a lower. So I'm going to set my button to upper. I'm going to turn my caps lock off and I'm going to type in this window. Now notice in this window, it's all small case, but since we have the upper button on, it keeps the caps on and it keeps this font all in uppercase. If we delete this, I turn my caps lock button on, change this button to lowercase, and no matter what I type in the window here. So it's a good way to control the font if you always need it to be upper or lower.